My favorite part is that no one do their own work. Everyone is trying to cooperate with the others to create a combination.
We agree all together on the design.
Pues el concepto de todo el muro, digamos que se unifica mediante los azulejos que ya están marcados en la pared y también, o sea, aunque los diseños son diferentes, todo se comunica.
The designs were made by the residents and they have a theme of the tiles which represents home, because this for many residents is their home.
I just wanted to give the patients a sense of calm.
For a more inclusive society.